From smoothies to frozen cocktails, power and precision matter when blending tough ingredients at home. Best Blender for crushing ice delivers sharp blades, high-torque motors, and durable jars that turn solid cubes into silky textures every time at home. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ninja BL770 Blender. The Ninja BL770 blender stands out as a powerhouse in home kitchens, offering professional-grade performance that makes crushing ice, blending frozen fruit, and processing tough ingredients effortless. Its 1500-watt, 2-horsepower motor delivers incredible torque, allowing users to achieve smooth and consistent textures with minimal effort. The XL 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for families or entertaining, and its total crushing blades can turn ice into snow or break down dense ingredients in seconds. For those who need convenience on the go, the Ninja BL770 includes two 16-ounce Nutra Ninja cups with to-go lids, making it easy to prepare personalized shakes and smoothies directly in the cup. Beyond smoothies, this blender doubles as an 8-cup food processor, capable of consistent chopping, pureeing, and even mixing up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds, thanks to the dedicated dough blade. The versatility continues with 4 distinct functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve, offering tailored control for everything from creamy soups to frozen beverages. Its user-friendly design ensures even beginners can operate it efficiently, while the durable build promises long-term reliability. Number 2. Ninja BN701 Blender. The Ninja BN701 blender, also known as the Ninja Professional Plus blender with Aeitto Aeitto, offers a powerful upgrade over traditional home blenders with a motor stronger than previous Ninja models. Its 1400 peak watt motor combined with Ninja Total Crushing Blades effortlessly crushes ice for smoothies, frozen drinks, and icy desserts, delivering smooth and uniform results every time. Aeitto IQ technology further simplifies blending by combining pre-programmed timed pulses, pauses, and blending cycles, taking the guesswork out of preparation and ensuring professional quality results at home. The 72-ounce total crushing pitcher accommodates large batches, making it suitable for families or entertaining guests, while the 64-ounce maximum liquid capacity ensures optimal performance without spills. The BN701 includes 3 versatile preset programs designed specifically for smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream, giving users effortless control with the touch of a button. In addition to performance, the blender comes with a 15-recipe inspiration guide, providing a variety of ideas to explore flavors and textures. Its durable construction and sharp, long-lasting blades can handle tough ingredients repeatedly, and cleanup is simple with dishwasher-safe components. Whether you're preparing daily smoothies, crushing ice for cocktails, or experimenting with frozen treats, the Ninja BN701 delivers consistency, speed, and convenience in one stylish package. Number 3. The PSIIDAN 1400-watt blender. The PSIIDAN 1400-watt blender delivers professional-level performance for home users seeking perfectly smooth results every time, particularly when working with ice and frozen ingredients. Equipped with a 1400-watt motor and an impressive 6-blade system, this blender effortlessly crushes ice and frozen fruits into silky, lump-free textures, making smoothies, shakes, and nut butters quick and easy. With a peak output of 1800 watts, the motor provides sufficient power to handle dense ingredients while maintaining consistent performance. The blender also offers precise control through multiple adjustable speeds, pulse function, and a convenient 60-second timer, allowing users to achieve the perfect texture for each recipe. One of its standout features is the hassle-free cleaning system, which includes a self-cleaning mode that completes in just 60 seconds. Additionally, the 68-ounce BPA-free jar is top-rack dishwasher safe, while a separate 20-ounce grinder allows users to process coffee, spices, or small ingredients without cross-flavor contamination.
Durability is a key aspect of the PSIIDAN blender, with stainless steel blades engineered for long-lasting performance and a thermal protection system that safeguards the motor during heavy use.
Number 4. Beast Mega Blender. The Beast Mega Blender is designed for home chefs who demand commercial-level performance in a compact, convenient package. With its 1200-watt motor and precision-engineered blades, the Mega Blender can crush ice and frozen fruits effortlessly, producing smooth, consistent textures ideal for smoothies, shakes, and frozen treats. Its fine-tuned motor allows it to handle tough ingredients repeatedly without overheating, while the single-button operation and timed blending cycle make it easy to use even for beginners. The blending vessels double as drinking cups, complete with premium spill-proof lids, which adds to the convenience for on-the-go consumption. Built with health-conscious users in mind, the Beast Mega turns fresh whole foods into nutritious snacks and meals quickly, minimizing prep time while maximizing results. Cleanup is simplified with dishwasher-safe components, making the blender practical for daily use without extra hassle. The space-saving design ensures it fits comfortably on kitchen counters, and the robust construction guarantees durability over time. The Mega Blender excels at combining power and convenience, making it suitable for both everyday meal prep and entertaining guests. Its ability to maintain consistent blending results while handling large batches of ice or dense ingredients makes it a standout choice for anyone looking to invest in a long-lasting and high-performance blender.
Number 5. Aeitto Blender. The Aeitto blender offers a high-performance solution for those who demand power and versatility in the kitchen, particularly when crushing ice and preparing frozen drinks. With a maximum 1800-watt peak power, this blender handles everything from smoothies and soups to nut butters efficiently, reducing prep time while preserving nutrients. The 68-ounce BPA-free jar accommodates large batches, making it ideal for family meals or entertaining guests, while also being practical for personal use. The blender features smart control with 3 preset programs for smoothies, juices, and crushed ice, plus 7 adjustable speeds, allowing precise texture control and seamless switching between tasks. This versatility empowers users to experiment with a wide range of recipes and textures without complications. Durable construction ensures the blender withstands frequent use, while the high-capacity jar and ergonomic design make it convenient for everyday meal preparation. The Aeitto blender is designed to be intuitive, combining robust power, multifunctional capabilities, and ease of use in one appliance. It handles tough ingredients like ice and frozen fruits effortlessly, producing smooth and consistent results every time. Cleaning is straightforward, and the components are designed for daily convenience. For home cooks seeking a reliable, versatile blender that delivers professional-level performance in crushing ice and preparing blended drinks, the Aeitto blender provides an ideal solution. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.